Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Cloud AI app on a Mac. So to get started, open any browser on your MacBook such as Safari or Chrome, then search for Cloud AI download and make sure that you open the official Cloud download page. So this is important because you are getting the real app from the correct source. So once you're on the download page, look for the desktop app section and choose the macOS option. And after clicking it, the installer will begin downloading. And depending on the internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. So just wait until the file is fully downloaded before opening it. So when the download is finished, go to your downloads folder and open the Claude installer file. Then a small setup window should appear on the screen. And from there, drag the Claude app icon into the applications folder. So this step adds Claude to the apps on the Mac so that it will be easier to open anytime. After that, open the applications folder, find Claude, and launch the app. And if a security message appears because it was downloaded from the internet, just confirm that you want to open it. And once Claude opens, continue with the setup by signing in to an existing account or creating a new one if needed. And after logging in, Claude is ready to use, and then you can start a chat, ask questions, get help with writing, summarize information, or use it for different tasks directly from the desktop app instead of opening it in a browser every time. That is how you install the Claude AI app on a Mac. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.